Ladies and gentlemen, the cocktail artist Cinco de Mayo Margarita Fishbowl. Okay, so we start off with orange slices. Guys, there's a ton of fruits in this. It's like a fruit salad that's been spiked. Lemon slices, come behind with watermelon slices. I told you it's pretty fruity. Come behind with pineapple. Look, I left the skin on just so I could show you all how cool this is. That's not why I left it on. I just wanted to see what would happen. Okay, then we put in lime slices. Now we come behind with our tequila, okay? El Jimador, all right? Pour. That's a lot of tequila. Some triple sec, all right? Which is an orange liqueur, just to give it a little bit of flavor. Then we followed it up with handsome boy here, okay? Cocktail artist Margarita mix. Someone in the office just laughed. I don't know why, okay? What you trying to say, I'm ugly? Okay, I'm pretty. Okay, come behind that with some orange juice, ladies and gentlemen, and now we give that a stir. So here's what you do. You drink this, and then you refill, and you keep going, and then afterwards you eat the fruits. Stay tipsy, stay tipsy.